Hey guys, welcome to Nellie Nummies. This cute little cinnamon roll is Nummy. I'm Nellie, and today we have a really easy, fast, and tasty breakfast for you. French toast. This one is a buttery, delectable French toast that comes together with just a few simple ingredients. Let's head to the kitchen. First, you're gonna need a couple of eggs, 2. Be sure to take out any eggshells that might drop into your bowl. We're not really going for a crunchy French toast today. Next, add about 1/3 to 1/2 cup of milk, about 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can also use maple syrup or honey here. Cinnamon, you know what I mean. Nutmeg. And now you want to whisk it up. I'm just using a simple fork, but feel free to use a tiny whisk or whatever you got on hand. You just want to make sure you really break up the egg yolks and get everything combined. You want the eggs and the milk and the cinnamon and all the flavorings mixed together really well. Alright, we're now going to add a little vanilla. You can also add almond extract or maple. Both are good. And then whisk again. Alright, now grab your bread that you want to use. I'm using Texas toast. You can use any fluffy white bread or even whole wheat bread too if you want to be a little healthy. And head to the griddle. You're going to preheat your griddle to about 325 degrees, or if you're using just a frying pan and stovetop, set it to medium-low heat. Be sure to spray your griddle or your skillet with oil or butter. Give your egg mixture a little whisk again. Make sure everything's incorporated. Grab your piece of bread and we're gonna soak it. Now you don't want this to soak too long, so just set it in there, pat it down a little bit, flip it, and do it again. So probably no more than 30 seconds. Otherwise, if you soak it too long, the bread's just going to fall apart and you're going to really struggle to get it onto the frying pan without falling apart. I've learned this the hard way many times. Don't make my mistake. And then repeat this process again with the remaining pieces of bread. Alright, cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until golden brown on one side. Flip it over. And then cook it again for another 1 to 2 minutes. Flip it over to check to make sure it's done. If it's nice and golden brown like so, you're good to go. Look at that. So nice. So toasty. Grab the remaining pieces of French toast off your griddle. Turn off your griddle or your stove. And then let's head to the table. Now French toast you can serve however you like really. I like it with butter and some maple syrup. Or some days I might whip up some whipped cream and some fresh berries and have that. You can also just do some simple cinnamon sugar or some jams. Or plain if you really want. Have it however you like. There's no rules here really. Heck, you could even use some bacon jam if you really like. The French toast turned out really light and buttery with little hints of cinnamon and vanilla in there. And then since we soaked in that egg custard, it's really soft but yet a little crispy thanks to the quick sear on the outside. I really hope you guys get to try this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have fun making this recipe and enjoy it. See you guys next time and have a good day.